Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jump.
Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. I want to talk about number formats today. Someone wrote in and said, they have two date formats, the short date and the long date. Why don't they have a date format that, lets you have some more control, like, the day abbreviation or the month abbreviation or something like that. And so right here I have this whole range of dates, today's date, and the various different number formats. I'm going to apply all of these number formats to the cell immediately to the left. I wrote a tiny little macro to do this, just a 3-line macro. For each cell in selection, the number format for that cell comes from one column to the right, whatever value happens to be there. So I'll just run that macro, and you don't have to sit here and watch me apply all the number formats. But here's what happens. When you have a single D in the custom number format, you're getting just the date, like 5. And 2 Ds gives you 05. Now, of course, after the 10th, it doesn't matter. It's the same. 3 Ds gives you the abbreviation. 4 Ds spells out the day of the week. And then a single M gives you the month as a number without the leading 0. 2 M's gives you the leading 0. 3 M's, the abbreviation. 4 M's spells out the month. And then 5 M's, this is great when you're creating charts, like in the Wall Street Journal across the bottom, JFM, AM, JASOND, that 5M abbreviation will do that. So now you can combine any of these as you want. So here's a custom number format of DDD, comma, MMM, space D, comma, YYYY. And what that's going to do for me is give me the day abbreviation. So I'm going to get THU for Thursday, the month abbreviation, MAR for March. And then because I don't have 2 Ds, I'm not going to get 05 and then a comma 2009. So you can see that custom number format there ends up with exactly what we want. Now, once you've applied this custom number format, generally we go into Format Cells, Control 1. Once you've applied that custom number format, they're going to be there in the custom list. It's just the first time where you actually have to go in and type all this in. It is a little bit tedious, but then after that, you're good to go. Hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.